In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in Google Vids. Whether you're composing a presentation, organizing data, or needing to display information succinctly, including tables in your Google Vids can amplify your ability to communicate effectively. Follow me along, and in just about 5 minutes, you'll be effortlessly inserting tables into your Google Vids projects. First things first, let's navigate to Google Vids. It's part of the Google Workspace, an integrated suite of secure, cloud-native collaboration and productivity apps. If you're not already there, simply type Google Vids into your preferred web browser or click on the link provided in the video description. It will take you directly to the Google Vids homepage. Once you arrive at the homepage, the next step is to sign in to your Google account. You'll see the Sign In button prominently displayed on the page. Click on this and you'll be prompted to choose which Google account you'd like to use. If you're already signed into Google on your browser, it might directly show your accounts. Select the one you want to use for Google Vids. It's important to pick the account associated with your workspace or the project you are working on for seamless access and saving of your work. After you've successfully logged in with your chosen account, it's time to get down to business. You'll want to find the video project you're working on or create a new one. Since our focus today is on inserting a table, find the Insert option within the Google Vids interface. It's typically located in the toolbar at the top or within a contextual menu, depending on your screen layout and the specific interface design at the time of your use. Clicking on Insert unfolds a variety of options, but for our purposes, you're looking for the Table option. Selecting this gives you the capability to insert a pre-made table structure into your Google Vids document. It's pretty straightforward from here. Decide the size and dimensions of your table. Think about how many columns and rows you'll need to adequately display your data or information. Now, for the exciting part. Navigate to the section of your Google Vids where you want the table to appear. This might be the art of ink, a journey into tattoo shop name, Google Vids, or wherever your project is taking shape. Once you're in the right spot, activate the Insert command for a table that you chose previously. You'll then see a grid-like structure that represents your table. Click and drag until you've highlighted the number of rows and columns you need, then release. Magically, your selected table will appear in the document. Remember, tables can be formatted to fit your presentation's style and tone. Whether you're looking for something sleek and professional or vibrant and full of life, Google Vids offers a variety of customization options. You can adjust the size of the cells, change the color of the table or text, and even add or remove borders to match your project's aesthetic. In closing, the ability to add tables to your Google Vids can significantly enhance how you present data and information. It's a fantastic way to organize your thoughts, present numerical data, or even lay out schedules and timelines in a visually appealing and understandable way. With the simple steps we've walked through today, you're now equipped to enrich your Google Vids projects with well-designed tables, making your presentations even more compelling and informative. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different table sizes, formatting options and placements until you find what works best for your project. Happy creating, and see you in our next video.